Greetings, madam. My name is John Lester Gloria from BSN1C. And in this video, I'm going to demonstrate some of the hospital housekeeping activities. And one of them is dusting. So I have here a varnished furniture and my materials. One of them is a basin with water, soap, pieces of damp, pieces of dry cloth. So I already placed a piece of paper underneath the table. So this will enable us to able to limit the contamination, whether there is a possible microorganisms lingering within the furniture. So what we're going to do is we need to first dust. This is a furnished furniture. We have to first dust the surface with a dry cloth. So I have here a piece of dry cloth, and we should we should observe proper body mechanics. So to start with dusting the varnished furniture, we must first identify which direction we have to proceed. So the direction that we have to proceed is from side to side, and the pace that we're going for is from the nearest to the farthest. So the reason why we're going for the nearest to the farthest, since if we do the nearest first, we might contaminate the area while doing so, while going on the farthest area of the furniture. So let's begin. So just by wiping in one direction from side to side, we can remove all the present microorganisms or any present dirt or soil. Since we already finished dusting the surface, we're going to proceed now on dusting the sides of the table. So this includes here, here, and here side. So we have to discard the used cloth first. So I have here a bin so we can discard the cloth. Now we're going to proceed on dusting the sides. We're going to, from one direction, we're going to first do it here since this is the farthest area. In one direction from this side to this side. Don't let any of your clothes to come in contact with the furniture since the furniture is not yet cleaned and not yet dusted. So from this side, and this side, since we already done the sides of the table or the furniture, we're going to proceed now on dusting the legs. So we're going to discard this dry cloth and use another one. So in cleaning the legs, we have to really observe a proper body mechanics since we can't afford to like kneel directly down with our knees because it will directly come in contact with the ground, since we all know that the ground or the floor is a contaminated area. So we're going to proceed now on wiping the legs. So by doing so, in wiping the legs, we have to go in a direction which starts from the top to the bottom, only in one direction. So this will quickly and effectively and efficiently remove all the soil or the contamination. It will remove any dust, since we're cleaning it in a way that we're bringing down the dirt. So since we're cleaning it in a way that we're bringing down the dirt, so it's an efficient way to clean the furniture. So we're going to wipe this one direction. next I have here a unvarnished furniture. So this is actually laminated folding table. So then again, just like the uh, varnished furniture, we're going to line the furniture with a piece of paper. So since this is a unvarnished furniture, we're going to apply a type of chemical, which is the soap. So first what we're going to do is to first wipe this area dry with another set of dry cloths. So first we're going to dust the area first to remove any like large soils by using a cloth. So just like the varnished furniture, we're going to start with the farthest to the nearest, and from one direction from this side to this side. Swipe it. Okay? Now we're going to discard this cloth. Next, by using another piece of dry cloth, so actually this cloth we're going to eventually dump this one, or like give this one a little bit of moisture. Since we're going to use a damp cloth, we have to wet this in here in our basin. Make sure to squeeze the excess water, since we can't like over dump our table. Now from the farthest to the nearest, and from this direction to this direction. Observe proper body mechanics. So we're going to wipe this surface twice or thrice. We're going to clean again our cloth. We're going to dump again our cloth. So we're going to do this 3 times to really to make sure that there's no dirt present on our table. We're going to discard this one. And now we're going to proceed on applying the soap. So by using a spray bottle, this will be an efficient way. Since the soap is already mixed with water, we can just spray the solution on the table and wipe it with another piece of cloth. So we have to dump this again. going to do this 3 times so that we can make sure that there will be no contamination. We're going to destroy this one. And now we're going to use another piece of cloth. So in this, we're going to just use a dry cloth to effectively remove the presence of soap. So for the sides of the table and for the legs, actually the procedure is just as the same as what we did here on the surface of the table. So we just have to like first use a dry cloth and just wipe from one direction, the top to the bottom kind of direction. And yes, and eventually we're going to use the damp cloth and another piece of damp cloth, but while using the spray bottle with a soap or with a liquid solution of soap, and eventually using this dry cloth as we are to remove any presence of soap.